Hi, I'm Carolyn Kirk. I'm the CEO of Richard Jay Laundry Equipment. Since Richard Jay founded the business in the late 60s, we have remained 100% family owned. As well as myself and my two sisters, we have some of the third generation now working in our company. Every business that we deal with is unique, which is why we take a lot of time to understand the laundry requirements for each site. We want our customers to have the best quality laundry design and machinery that suits their needs and enables them to provide fresh, clean, hygienic linen to their clients. We operate in 5 cities with over 50 staff who are all dedicated to supplying our customers with the best laundry solutions for their businesses. We've been in business for nearly 50 years now, and we've travelled the world looking for the best laundry machinery for your businesses. We currently use Electrolux professional laundry machinery, Maytag commercial and LG commercial machinery, which means we have a very wide range of machines to suit any business. At Richard Jay's, we're always looking for innovative solutions for our customers, which is why we're extremely pleased to launch Xeros into Australia. This new technology allows our customers to reduce water usage by up to 80% in each load, while still providing extremely high quality wash results. There are many ways to achieve disinfection and prevent cross-contamination in a laundry. We have extensive information and experience, and we use this to give you the best solution for your requirements. We design and supply barrier laundries with or without Renew Ozone. The use of Renew Ozone is the most efficient and effective method of disinfection currently available for laundries in Australia today. Richard Jay chooses global leading brands because we utilise them in our Capital Plus contracts for many businesses across Australia, where we provide laundry machinery at a fixed fee for the contract time, and that includes all of the maintenance during the period. We understand that having a well-maintained and functioning laundry really matters. So nationally, we have more than 200 service technicians and contractors available to ensure our customers' laundries are working to maximum capacity. We have the largest inventory of laundry spare parts in Australia, which we can ship overnight to most destinations. As well, we offer both web-based and telephone technical support. We all know that we need to take care of our world and reduce our consumption of global resources. At Richard Jay's, we supply the highest quality machinery to ensure years of reliability and usage of the equipment. We also consult with you to help reduce your operating costs. We want you to get the best possible return on your investment while minimising the environmental impact of processing laundry hygienically. In mid-2014, we assisted the founders of Orange Sky Laundry to design and build the first mobile laundry in a van. This was a world first. Their aim was to provide a free laundry service staffed by volunteers for the disadvantaged and homeless people in our communities. Today we continue to assist them with this by providing machinery and backup service for the more than 20 vans that now operate across the nation. This service matches our belief that we all deserve fresh, clean laundry. We've lived and breathed commercial laundry solutions for nearly 50 years, and that's because we believe that Australians deserve fresh, hygienic and clean linen. At Richard Jay's, laundry matters.